Have you ever wondered how people naturally darken their hair, stop premature graying, and boost hair shine without touching harmful hair dyes? Well, today I am sharing one of the best natural remedies trust for generations to darken your hair faster using ingredients you may already have at home. If you have been searching for a chemical-free, safe solution to darker, fuller, healthy hair, this video is for you. Hi beautiful family, welcome back to the channel. This secret remedy I'm about to share with you contains only 3 powerful natural ingredients that will help you to darken your hair, restore shine, and nourish your scalp. And many people have shared amazing results with this method. And today I will show you exactly how to prepare it and use them. There are 2 ways you can use this recipe to darken your hair. So I will show you the first method first. Later on the video I will still tell you the second method. The first method, I grab my jar, my clean jar. My first ingredient is amla powder. If you have been using amla powder on your hair before now, you know what I'm talking about. You know that amla powder is very powerful in darkening your hair. But if you have not used it before, don't worry. After watching this video, you will start using amla powder on your hair. Amla powder known for restoring natural hair colors, rich in antioxidants, and promote healthy hair growth. Using amla, your hair will definitely restore from gray hair to darker hair. So I just make use of 1 full tablespoon of my amla powder. My second ingredient is black tea. So this is the brand of black tea I have access with. Use any black tea you have access with. So I'm making use of 1 bag of my black tea. Black tea will also help to darken your hair because it contains properties that naturally darken your hair and add shiner to your hair. And this black tea have been using in ancient days. They have been using it to darken their hair. This is one of the ancient secret remedy of darkening their hair. Okay, so what I just did now, I put 1 bag of my black tea into my container. Next is to pour hot water on it. I will infuse this for 12 hours. You can as well infuse it for 5 hours or 6 hours, but I would advise you to infuse it for 12 hours. Okay, I will use my spoon to stir it around so that the amla powder can melt into the hot water. After then, I will cover it up and keep it aside to wait for 12 hours. 12 hours over, this recipe is ready. Do you see that it has really infused? The color have changed. It have gotten more darker in color. It's ready to be used. So first thing I will do now, bring my bowl and my sheaf cloth. It's very important to use something that have very tiny hole because of the amla powder, so that the amla powder will not stuck on your hair. But if you don't mind, you can also use anything you like if you like the amla powder to stuck on your hair. So I dropped the black tea bag inside the sheaf cloth so that I can also squeeze it and get everything that is inside that black tea. So like as I said, there's 2 methods where you can prepare this recipe, so keep on watching. I'll still share that second method for you. Okay, so after squeezing it and collecting my tea, this is what I have so far. The 3rd ingredient I will add in this recipe is coconut oil. Coconut oil deeply moisturize the scalp, strengthen hair roots, and help deliver nutrients direct to your hair strands. So if coconut oil, you don't like coconut oil, you can use castor oil or any other oil, but I would advise you to try coconut oil with this recipe for that effective result. Okay, I just make use of 1 tablespoon of my coconut oil, so I will stir it around to make sure that this mix up properly. Guys, this is the natural secret ancient remedy they have been using for ancient days to darken their hair. Even to today, is still working. Thousands of people are using this to darken their hair without you knowing. So I believe that after watching this video, you will never buy any harsh chemical product to use to darken your hair anymore. As you can see, this pure natural 100% free chemical products, but they are very effective in darkening your hair. It's not only darkening your hair, give you that longer, healthier, fuller, strong hair you desire. This is the most tried recipe and you will never regret trying it if you do want to darken your hair and also see faster growth and also healthy, fuller hair. So I've transferred to my spray bottle. Now we demonstrate to you on how to use this recipe to get that faster results, to darken down your hair over time, and also to get that healthy, fuller, strong, shine hair. If your hair is dull, you need to start using this recipe, and believe me, you will get amazing results with it. So this is how my hair is. I'm super excited to share this secret with you guys. Okay, I'm super excited and I hope you're also excited to come across this video. So I'll show you how I apply this on my hair. You just need to focus on your hair, that your green hair section. Any part of your hair you have green hair, or if you have green hair all over your hair, spray this all over your hair from the scalp to the strand of your hair, and make sure that you really damp this very way on your hair and squeeze it inside properly on your hair, whether you're having protective hairstyle or not protective hairstyle. But if you have protective hairstyle that contain extension, please, whenever you take that protective hairstyle down, make a protective hairstyle that you do not have extension on your hair, so that this remedy can work amazing on your hair and you can also see faster results. Okay, so apply it generously on your hair and work it in properly. After applying it, please massage your scalp very well. Okay, and also you don't need to wash this recipe out. This recipe did not make to wash out, especially this first method. You did not make to wash it out. Allow it to sit on your hair. After applying it on your hair, make sure you follow up with your leave-in condition and your oil to see in this amazing natural secret hair darker. Okay, for another effective way to get good results, warm up this your tea spray. Okay, let it be a little bit warm before you apply it on your hair. It will help the tea to penetrate on your hair very, very well. The second method you can use this remedy to darken your hair, have that fuller, longer, healthy, shiner hair, is to use it as your hair mask. Use 3 to 4 tablespoons of your amla powder, 2 to 3 spoons of your black tea, and 2 tablespoons of your coconut oil. Mix them properly together. Add a little water on it so that it can be a little liquid. After then, you can strain it. Okay, because of the black tea. Okay, strain it so that the particles of black tea will not stuck on your hair. Apply this on your hair as your hair mask. Okay, massage it all over your hair, apply it all over your hair. You can use higher quantity, depend on how thicker, how longer, how voluminous your hair is. So if your hair is very long, please use amount of the ingredient that can saturate all over your hair. Okay, apply it and massage your scalp. Cover up your hair for 1 hour to 2 hours, rinse it out, and then prepare this tea spray. Okay, and also start using the tea spray. The second method, you can only use it whenever you want to wash your hairs on your wash day routines. Okay, as your hair mask. But this first method of tea spray, you can use it 3 to 4 times in a week for best results. I hope I have teach you 100% natural remedy that will help you to darken down your green hair and also grow your hair like never before. So if you are looking for a way to darken your green hair, let me know in comment section below. If this video is very helpful to you, please let me know in comment section below. This remedy will help you a lot. There is no joke. Tested and trusted. You will later come back and tell me thank you if you start using this recipe on your hair. Please, if you have not joined this beautiful family, please do well to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscribe button. And once you subscribe, please turn on your post notification bell to all so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload amazing videos like this. Okay, and also help me to like this video. If you have not liked this video up to this point, please click on that like button. It helps the growth of the channel and also encourage me a lot to bring out more good content for you guys. Lastly, please share this video to your family and friends so that they'll get the good news on how to use natural free chemical product to darken their green hairs, okay, or to grow their hair longer, fuller and healthier. I hope you find this video very helpful. This way we're closing today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.